Hello, I'm Justin McBride's November 26, 2022. How are you doing? Hope you're enjoying your weekend. Yesterday was Black Friday. Thursday was American football and World Soccer happening. A lot's happening. Hope you're enjoying yourself for the rest of the weekend. And there's cold Arctic air coming in the west, and that's going to drop the temperatures dramatically. Look at Yellowknife, minus 11 with snow. But polar vortex coming back. Look at right now, above seasonal right now. Calgary +3 at this hour, 8:07 Mountain Standard Time, 10:07 Eastern Time. Victoria 7 degrees right now. Vancouver 7, Prince George 1, Edmonton 1, Saskatoon -6, Regina -6 right now. Winnipeg -3, +5 in Thunder Bay. So mild in the east. Then Toronto +6, Ottawa +5 right now, Montreal 7, Quebec City 3 degrees, Fredericton -2, Halifax 2, Charlottetown 3 degrees, and St. John's, Newfoundland windy and 3 degrees. Break it all down for you with the cold Arctic air moving in next week. Like usual, we'll start from west to east, and look at that. For tonight, mild conditions with windy 65 kilometers per hour, but then that's when the cold air starts to sink in. You get, yes, tomorrow will be +6 in the afternoon, but look at the temperatures dropping in Vancouver, -2 tomorrow with some with snow, excuse me, and Monday also with some snow in the morning, then Tuesday as well. Look, it just drops. So we got some Arctic air, and Vancouver has a chance to see the 5 to 10 centimeters of snow on Tuesday and 10 to 20 centimeters on Wednesday. So we have to keep behind it above seasonal temperatures, but temperatures are dropping because it's a polar vortex plummeting. Also, it's going to spread into Alberta. So here's the temperature page. This is now and this is tomorrow. As you can see, the blues are getting closer to Vancouver, British Columbia, Victoria, and we have to keep an eye on Tuesday because look at the temperatures. That's in the afternoon. That's 12 noon in British Columbia, 0 at the freezing mark. It's going to stay at the freezing mark at 2 p.m. as well. So it's going to be the 1, 2 degrees until we get to the evening hours. Then it'll drop below 0. Then that's Tuesday. We're looking ahead. But it is a polar vortex. Look at Prince George, -22, and Edmonton, -21. Look at Calgary at 6 p.m. on Tuesday, -24. We'll get to that now. Might see some snowfall warnings later in British Columbia. Also, we have to keep an eye on Alberta as well. Might see some snowfall warnings because it's a big low pressure system that is coming down from the north and dropping the temperatures. I mean, look at the winds tomorrow in Calgary, 55 kilometers from the northwest. So it's going to be a cold wind. It's going to feel like -8, but still it's the skin that you're gonna feel it because of the wind. Then look at Monday, feels like -25, and the winds gust up to 60 kilometers per hour. So it's really gonna feel cold with those winds and 2 to 5 centimeters of snow. So 2 to 5 centimeters of snow tomorrow, 2 to 5 centimeters on Monday, 10 centimeters altogether. And again, look, it just gets colder as we get into Wednesday. Overnight low, -26. But the wind chill, -34. So yeah, it's going to feel cold. If you love cold air, this is it. And lakes will freeze and soon you'll be able to skate. And we're getting to the holiday season as well. Skating, skiing, whatever you like in Canada. And look at Tuesday. Oof. Just seeing those purples make me want to shiver and get hot tea or hot coffee or hot chocolate. Edmonton, freezing rain overnight possible. Then -3 tomorrow morning. And let's go check on our radar. So this is midnight. You can see that's pink. That's freezing rain on the radar. So brief period of freezing rain. But any little bit of freezing rain on contact on cement, you can't see the black ice. So be careful out there when you're driving around midnight and 1 a.m. Just a little bit of contact is dangerous. We look later in the week at Edmonton, of course, cold Arctic air moving in, polar vortex, excuse me. And look at that, Thursday night, dropping to -30 with a wind chill -40. So yeah, you're in the north, Edmonton, so you're going to get that colder air because you're much closer to that colder air in the north. Banff, where I live, tomorrow, 5 to 10 centimeters of snow. And look at the temperatures tomorrow, -4, then dropping to -15 tomorrow. And I'm going to take skiing lessons this year, so wish me luck. I might fall on my face a lot. But -14 on Monday and -20, and then we go to drop to -25. That's -25 overnight, but as you wake up on Tuesday morning, it will be -26. So in the morning, we'll drop a degree at 7 a.m. Tuesday -20, and of course, more snow. It is the snow tomorrow from the cold front. Moving on to Winnipeg, Manitoba, the cold air will spread, and it'll just take a little bit more time to spread. And when we get to Wednesday, cold air, but not cold like Alberta, but it will spread to British Columbia, to Alberta, then to Winnipeg, and yeah, overnight lows around the minus teens. We head to current weather conditions right now in Southern Ontario. Very mild conditions for this time of year, 10:16 Eastern Time. And remember, it is still fall, so it's not officially winter yet. Still two seasons battling each other out, summer and winter. So, it's like not fully season yet, but yeah, cold air in the west, and we got mild air in the east. And sometimes in November, we get funny temperatures. Sometimes we could get 15 degrees. Sometimes we could get -20 or -30. Sometimes we could get 30 centimeters of snow. Sometimes we could get 18 degrees, record breaking. It's all over the place. November is just like that. And sometimes we could get these bizarre weather systems that bring thunderstorms, as well. And, well, it is mild in Southern Ontario. We went too far. And let me just... Tomorrow, 5 to 10 millimeters of rain in Toronto and mild conditions. You can see no snow days in sight yet. No snow days yet for Southern Ontario, but mild conditions and risk of some freezing rain on Wednesday morning, and then on Wednesday afternoon, rain, of course. There is a system moving in. So hold on one second. I just want to show you. Well, 5 to 10 millimeters of heavy rain, a system coming from the United States, that will bring stormy weather, and on Thursday, windy conditions at 65 kilometers per hour. But on Thursday afternoon, 40% chance of flurries, maybe, and lots of sunshine with 0. Montreal, Quebec, 10:19 Eastern Time, and 6 degrees tomorrow, 4 degrees on Monday, -1 on Tuesday, a cold front, but it won't last for long because the temperatures will climb on Wednesday and Tuesday, keeping an eye on just a trace of flurries, then +1 and over. Quebec City, above seasonal, nothing much to talk about in Eastern Canada, really. Tomorrow in Nova Scotia, 10 degrees for Sunday and 12 on Monday, with windy conditions on Monday, 80 kilometers per hour, with 10 to 20 millimeters of rain, and then Tuesday the sun comes back out. Nice sunshine and +2. My goodness, St. John's, Newfoundland, just bizarre and windy for a couple of days. It's been windy for a while. It's like a never-ending story for St. John's, Newfoundland. But then area high pressure moves in for Wednesday, and you get that sunshine for St. John's, Newfoundland. I'm Justin McBrien. Talk to you soon. Bye.